What's going on, my print peeps? Thank you for checking back in. For those of you who are new, my name is Dave with Diversity Print. Today we're going to do a clothes folder. We're going to do a hoodie. This is an adult small. You can do as long as it fits on here. I know we've done other shirts, but we haven't done hoodies. Same thing as a long sleeve. So let's go ahead and put this on here real quick. And we're just going to line up the bottom as usual. And on the long sleeve, of course, this is a small, so it doesn't go towards the edge, but just fold it right to the edge of the clothes folder. Don't fold it. Don't be tempted to fold it in here, right to the shirt. Just keep it to the edge of the clothes folder, just like that. Okay, and then do the other side. Just to the edge of the clothes folder. You can go down a little bit if you want to. And then you'll start to fold. So we're gonna do one. We'll do two, and then you can go. You can do this one here, fold it like that. Sorry, it's a hoodie, and I'm like kind of rushing here. So you can fold it like this, and then put the hoodie on top. But I don't know, it just kind of looks messy like that. So I kind of just like on that last step, instead of folding this first, I put the hoodie on the inside, just like that. Just like that. And I'll hold it because it kind of starts getting thick, right? It's a hoodie. And then that's it. And then you bag it. So that's how it looks, just like that. Looks nice and folded. Pretty simple. Let me know how you guys fold y'all's. This is nice and retail ready, you know what I'm saying? And then you just bag it up, okay? Hopefully that helps for a hoodie on the clothes folder. Again, remember where I got this, it was on Temu, so I can't really link it. But maybe I'll link to one that's similar. They're all pretty much, the ones like this are all pretty much the same. So maybe I'll find one for you guys. They're pretty cheap. I mean, I got this for a few dollars. I guess I got lucky with it. But now they're around $5 to $6 each. But still very cheap, cost effective to have in your shop. All right. Hope you're having a good day printing. We'll talk to you next time, and until then, peace.